I'm Joe from Lawn Solutions Australia, and today I'm here to talk to you about how to love your lawn through winter. Now, believe it or not, there is such thing as winter lawn care, and while your grass isn't growing and the mower's staying in the shed, there are a few things you can do to make sure your lawn is ready for when spring hits. Here's the 5 most important tips for winter. If you haven't done so already, you can still apply a fertiliser to your lawn. Just make sure the fertiliser you use is lower in nitrogen and higher in other root strengthening elements such as iron, potassium and phosphorus. Over the cooler months, your lawn can become vulnerable and weeds can take over. This is because the growth of your lawn slows down, but the growth of the weeds continues to be strong. If weeds aren't a major problem and there's only a couple here or there, it's always best to remove by hand. If they start to get out of control, you can apply a selective herbicide that will kill the weed but not harm your lawn. If winter grass in particular is your problem, again, the same rule applies. Always best to remove by hand before they go to seed. If they're out of control, there are specialist herbicides you can get, such as winter grass killer, that will do the job. Try to avoid heavy traffic on your lawn, as it will struggle to repair from damage and from stress. Also, make sure you rake up any leaves or remove any objects that may smother the lawn. If your lawn does need a mow over winter, just be sure to keep the mower setting nice and high to give your lawn the best chance to absorb sunlight and nutrient. Also, the cooler months are the perfect time to service your lawnmower and other lawn care equipment in readiness for spring. Only water your lawn in winter if it really needs it. Overwatering is a waste of time and money and can cause unwanted fungal issues. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia. We hope to catch you next time.